What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the messenger notifications not working issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all open and close the messenger app 2 to 3 times, and after that the notifications will start working properly. But if it doesn't fix your issue, then check if you have enabled do not disturb. So to check, open settings, scroll down and click on notifications. Now in notifications, click on do not disturb. Now from here, if you have enabled do not disturb, then turn it back off, because when do not disturb is enabled you will not be able to receive notifications from some apps. So after turning off do not disturb, if you are still not receiving the notifications from messenger app, then the next solution is check if the notifications are turned on or off. So to check, open settings, scroll down and click on apps. Now in apps, scroll down and look for the messenger app. Now open the app and then click on notifications. So from here, if the allow notification button is turned off, then turn it back on, and after turning on this button the messenger notification issue will be fixed. So after all these solutions, if you are still facing the issue in messenger notifications, then check for the app update. So to check, open Play Store, click on your profile icon and then click on manage apps and device. Now here click on updates available option, and then from here if you have any pending update of messenger app, then update the messenger app to the latest version, and after updating the messenger notification will be 100% fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.